What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare two giants in the generative art platform, Midjourney and Adobe Firefly. In this video, we are going to discuss their features, advantages, and drawbacks. So, let's start with Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is the ultimate canvas for unleashing your creativity and bringing your wildest imaginations to life. With a comprehensive suite of design tools at your fingertips, Adobe Firefly empowers artists to all levels to explore, experiment, and innovate like never before. Now, let's take a look at its features. With Firefly's text-to-image functionality, you can effortlessly transform textual descriptions into stunning visuals. Simply provide a detailed description of a reference image and watch as Firefly generates a captivating image that matches your vision with astonishing accuracy. Say goodbye to tedious manual editing. Firefly's generative fill feature allows you to remove unwanted objects or add new elements to your design with just a brush stroke. Whether you're refining an existing image or unleashing your creativity with a blank canvas, Firefly empowers you to achieve seamless results. Elevate your typography game with Firefly's text effects feature. By simply inputting a text prompt, you can apply a myriad of styles and textures to your text, instantly enhancing its visual impact. From sleek and minimalist to bold and expressive, Firefly provides endless possibilities to make your text truly stand out. Dive into a world of color exploration with Firefly's generative recolor feature. Transform your vector artwork into a spectrum of vibrant hues by providing a detailed text description. Whether you're experimenting with different color schemes or seeking inspiration, Firefly empowers you to effortlessly generate captivating variations of your designs. Now let's talk about the drawbacks. While Firefly offers a plethora of powerful features, mastering its full potential may require some time and dedication. Users may encounter a learning curve as they familiarize themselves with the tool's interface and functionalities. Currently, Firefly may have limitations in terms of compatibility with certain platforms or file formats. Users should be aware of these constraints to ensure seamless integration with their existing workflow. Due to the complexity of its generative algorithms, Firefly may require some processing time, particularly when handling intricate designs or large datasets. Users should exercise patience, especially when working on projects with demanding computational requirements. Now, let's talk about Midjourney. Midjourney stands out for its vibrant and detailed designs, characterized by rich colors, intricate details, and a dynamic visual appeal. This AI art generator is perfect for those who appreciate art that exudes energy and creativity, making it a favorite among artists and creatives looking to bring imaginative concepts to life. With a focus on turning ideas into colorful masterpieces, Midjourney offers a user-friendly experience that simplifies the art creation process, making it accessible to a wide range of users seeking vibrant and expressive visuals. Midjourney's artistic flair and creative expression make it an excellent choice for those looking to infuse their creation with vibrancy and life. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly and Midjourney each offer distinct advantages for creative professionals. Adobe Firefly excels in seamless integration with Creative Cloud ecosystem, providing a comprehensive suite for design needs. Meanwhile, Midjourney specializes in immersive design experience with virtual reality, pushing the boundaries of interactive storytelling. The choice between them depends on specific needs and preferences, with Adobe Firefly suited for a broad range of design tasks and Midjourney ideal for immersive spatial experience. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.